How to add photo in video in InShot. If you want to add a photo to a video on the InShot video editor app, it is actually a little bit of a hidden process, but do not worry, it is completely possible. So just make sure to stick with me till the end. So first of all, what we do is we launch InShot. We go to videos and we select our design, whatever video it is that maybe we want to edit out, right? So I'll just select a certain video. Now, after I've selected this particular video, you can see I want to add maybe a couple of photos on the top as an overlay. Now for this, you won't see the photos icon here, so we have to use a simple trick. From here, you can see this little emoji icon that says sticker from the bottom. Tap on the sticker option. Now again, you can see the plus icon that says sticker. So tap on that sticker again. Now this is the option to add sticker. So to add a photo from here, just look for this little gallery icon, as you can see right here, that look like photo. So just tap on it. Now you can tap on cutout or you can import it. I'll just select cutout option. Now I can select a photo that I want. I can simply drag it to a certain aspect ratio if I want to. I can use this as a cutout. Hit the arrow button right here. Now you can see I've added it. I can go ahead and drag and drop this to any part of it. Then I can just hit the check button. At the top, I can customize when I want the photo to appear and when I want it to disappear, as you can see right over here. And I can add a couple of, let's say, effects to it as well. And that's all it takes for me to add photo to video in the InShot app. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.